Let's head below into the depths. Into the depths of the underground streets. Wow. So that's a pig intestine?
That's the ring.
That's the ring. Where's our Volkswagen? What on earth is this place? How can there be this many different types of food? Oh, welcome back to another video. We have come today, we've traveled all the way across Guizhou province and we've traveled to the capital city. It is quite a gloomy day today, but that's don't you worry about it. Wow, a huge, massive pig. Is that a pig? Look at the size of it. Why a massive pig then? Why the massive pig?
Oh, this is snack street, so be a picky and go out and
oh, it's trying to be
find
like,
your food.
Be like, eat where you want. So can you tell us what are these statues here? That one's that one's sniffing the air. Ah, and then this one is seems to be cross-eyed. Wow, interesting. So these are the streets of Guiyang, eh? So now we're just coming on to some kind of food walking streets. And everyone is enjoying food. Wow, home of the Whopper.
There's so much chocolate, soy bean. What the heck?
Alright, so we just popped into Burger King because how can I make a video if my body is not correctly fueled with a large amount of burgers? So we're gonna consume this and then we're gonna get out onto the streets of Guiyang. And it is now raining. Wow. These are the very thriving, hustling, bustling streets of Guiyang. Oh, what a pity, it's raining. Ah, I guess we have to go underground now because it's raining. Let's head below into the depths. Into the depths of the underground streets of Guiyang. Wow. What an interesting, eerie kind of place. Wow. I know what I should do. I should come back here again at night. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra. We are live on the ground here in the capital city of Guizhou province, Guiyang, and we seem to have discovered some kind of very busy, thriving, hustling, bustling food street, and it is just packed full of people. Some people wearing masks, some people not, and lots of different kind of food. Wow. Man, it's just like a never-ending tunnel of food and people. Wow. This is insane. Little doggy's begging for a bit of food there. It's just an endless sea of people and food. Wow. Wow, so if you want to come to Guiyang, you want to grab some food, don't be like me, don't go to Burger King. Get in there and try the real, authentic Chinese food that you can find on this street. I mean, it just never ends. I don't even know what half of this food is. If anyone knows. Are those they look like pig's feet? I can get a can of Monster as well. It just never ends. Just endless goodies. This one seems quite popular. Ah, chicken wing. Ah, ginger hair. Or should I say orange? Wow, fish on a stick. Oh, we have a traffic down here. Man, it just goes on and on and on and on. What is this? What on earth is this place? How can there be this many different types of food in one single area? Wow. Ah, some kind of dumplings there. Shrimp. Not really a fan of shrimp. Yeah, some French fries. What's that? Potato and rice. Wow. Oh, that looks nice actually. Sausage and rice. Wow, we have a little Sky Mart here. Let's pop in here. What do I want? I want some chocolate. I want some here we go. This is what I came for. Chinese Maltesers. These are pretty good.
不是没得的，我刚才买的货没得，我退了。25没有。我刚才66的，不是没得的。我是刚才买的货丢了，我退了，退掉了。哇，是这个的货。我有点小贵了，你2个就吃完了，不是？你那个长的，我是买那个长的，那个没有，要卖完了。
谢谢。A lot of people have been complaining, saying that I don't eat enough Chinese food. Well, let me tell you. Chinese Maltesers. Highly recommend it. Chinese food. Chinese Maltesers. I'm not being funny, we've been walking for about 2 hours and we're still not at the end of this place. The journey continues. I was planning on showing you the streets, but it seems like this food street never ends. Just hold on to your hats. Wow. Let me immerse you deep into these Chinese kitchens. There's pig's feet there. Pig's trotter. Immerse yourself in this world. In this mysterious, enigmatic Chinese world. The woman was staring at me then when I said enigmatic. Wow. Ah, what's this? Snails? And the chef just having a little rest. It's a very tiring job being a chef, especially when you're in front of a hot stove the whole day. It can get quite tiresome. Man, this is insane. It never ends. It never ends. I'm not messing. We've been walking for about 3 hours. What's this? Some kind of burrito. Wow. Baba? What is that? Watch out, eh? They got a little till there. They all have a little Monster Energy drink kind of stand. That's interesting. Endless food. Wow. Ah, blue hair. Wow, can't believe it. This place.
So many eggplants there.
This place is just insanity. Can you believe all these food choices and I had Burger King? Shame on me. Shame on me. Wow, what is this? Some kind of Indiana Jones type of relic. Wow, man. I can't believe it. We've actually come to the end. We have actually come to the end of it. Let's look back. Wow, it just goes on as far as the eye can see. Now, because we went to Burger King, Jiao was absolutely furious, and so I had to make up for it. She chose one of these stalls to get the food that she wants. You know, compromise. You know, I get the food what I want. She gets the food that she wants. Now, the food that she wants is pig intestines. Let me have a look then. So that's a pig intestine.
That's the ring.
That's the ring. The bum ring. Is that the sphincter? Oh no. Oh no. So it looks like you're enjoying it then. Must be nice. Well, what pie is that?
It's the ring.
It's the ring. Wow, BMW. It's just started raining, so it's quite annoying. It started raining and we don't have an umbrella. Okay, interesting. Wow, it's so busy. We've just ordered a taxi now back to the hotel. Whoa. Oh, my ears. Wow. Just waiting on the taxi now. I just found out from Jiao that she's ordered a Volkswagen taxi. So, sprechen die Deutsch? Whoa! So we're just waiting on this very beautiful Volkswagen taxi that we've ordered. Man, it's getting dark now. We're still waiting on this very interesting Volkswagen taxi that we've ordered. Sprechen die Deutsch? Yeah, sprechen die Volkswagen?
Oh,
where is it?
the 318.
So many Volkswagens. I got a bit of action going off between the taxis. A bit of fun. Huh? Where's our Volkswagen? Yeah, oh, that's 95. We've got people fighting. I think they're fighting over Volkswagen taxi. Maybe it's down there. Is this one here? Watch out, that's good. It's this one. Right, we found our infamous Volkswagen. These two guys are still fighting. Oh yeah, my. 他们打架哩。
我这有毒，非常的半点口舌，简直是。
We're finally inside this Volkswagen. Right, so we just come back to the hotel now. I guess I will see you in the next one. Signing off. More adventures on the streets of Guiyang. Once the oh, actually, let me show you the hotel room. This is the Holiday Inn. It was about 600 RMB. Let's look out the window. Whoa. It was about 600 RMB per night, which is $40. You already almost walked into the mirror, eh? Ah, the toilet there. Anyway, right, you don't want to see inside of this boring hotel room. Well, anyway, so that's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. Signing off. More adventures coming soon on the streets of Guiyang, the capital city of Guizhou province. I will see you in the next one. Signing off. Fun.